Advising. Your advising team can help you pick classes. Remember to take notes and ask plenty of questions. After your session, you'll want to visit CUNY First online to enroll. Finances. There's a lot of options to help pay for college. Visit the financial aid office and sit down for a one-on-one session with a financial aid advisor to discuss grants, federal and state aid, loans, and public benefits options. Reminders. To be considered full-time, enroll in a minimum of 12 credits in both Session 1 and Session 2 combined. Register for Session 1 and Session 2 at the same time to balance your schedule. That's all, LaGuardians. Follow these tips to ensure you have a successful year at LaGuardia.